Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the gold price has moved in the last 2 days and how the gold price can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart, what you can see from 2005 we have seen the price of gold has moved upside, made a high of around 1907, and since then around 2011 it is continuously in the downtrend. And if we look at the chart after breaking this particular zone in April 20, we have seen it has rise a little and made a high of around 2065 in 2020. Any doubt regarding gold, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in gold is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. November of 2020. After that, it made a low of around 1680, and now it is continuously in the downtrend. If you look at the trend, it is from starting of August till now. Now it is trying to slightly go high. But if we look at the pattern, from 10 years of now, we can see a cup pattern is trying to form. Okay, so what is the probability? If you're looking for a longer view, that a probability is that it is going on the upper side. That means if it's trying to create a cup pattern, suppose if it's sustained above this level, a level of 1828, a probability of going towards 1878 is very high. Okay, so once if it goes above 1878, that means if it stays above a level of 1828, we can see it can go further higher to a level of 1878. Okay, and if it sustains this level, then we can see it can go further higher to a level of 1897. I am looking for a monthly chart, remember this, and all these my views are my personal. See, look at this, these trends are already tested here, so chances will be very high. We can see a level of 1947 also, and from there we can see a level of 1996. This is for a longer view I'm saying, but if we look at the trend downside, then we can see if it goes below a level of 1769, we can see a level. See, if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 1740 also, but it has to go below a level of 1779.5. Then we can see it can go to a level of 1759.8, and from there we can see a level of 1740, and from there we can see it can go further low to a level of 1710.48, and then this trend can break downside, and then we can see a level of 1680, and this level is already tested here, so we can see further low below 1680 to a level of 1630 also, and from there we can see it can go further low. But as of now, this is a monthly chart I have shown you. But if we look at for next 2 days, what we can see, if I'm going on a monthly chart, see 15 minutes candle I am showing you. Okay, so now if you look at the chart, what we can see, the price of gold is moving upside. If the price sustain this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1822 and go and touch a level of 1824.3. Suppose if the price sustain this level, then we can see a level of 1825.32, and from there we can see it can go further higher to a level of 18206. Suppose if it sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further higher to a level of 1827.90, and then we can see a level of 1829.45. Suppose if the price sustain of this level, then we can see a level of 1831.37. These levels are already tested here, so we can see it can go further higher to a level of 1833. Okay, if we look at the 2 hours chart, we can see that you can see once this trend line breaks, okay, if it goes above a level of 1832, we can see it can go further higher to a level of 1837 also. If it sustain above this level, we can see a level of 1845. Once if it touched a level of 1845, we can see it can go further high to a level of 1855 to a level of around 1859. If it sustain this level, then we can see it further high it can go. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 1880, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 1860. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this level and if it goes below a level of 1814, which is a strong support, we can see it can go further to a level of 1812, and once if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 1807. Okay, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 1800.48, and if the price didn't sustain this level, probability of touching going towards 1796 is high. Okay, and if it goes below this level, then we can see a level of 1786 also, and these levels are already tested here, so chances of going towards down 1780 and to a level of 1773 is very high. and it can go and touch a level of 1768. Okay, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 1761 also. Okay, and if it goes below this level, then I have made another video. You can go and check my previous video. Okay, now one more important thing: if you are trading with $10,000 of capital, understand one thing: use 10 to 15% of capital. If the price is 0.5 to 1%, and always make a risk of 0.5 to 1%, so that if you loss of around $50 to $100 per trade, that will not affect your future trades. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.